What's up everyone, Michael here today with eXp Realty. Today I'm excited to introduce to you 10304 South Delaware Place. It's a fantastic home in the Jenks School District. This 3,100 square foot residence built in 1994 offers a 3-bedroom and 2.5 bath, combining comfort and convenience. Situated on a corner lot, this home is close to shopping, dining, entertainment, and the beautiful and well-known Riverside Trails. Once you're inside, you're gonna find a warm living space perfect for family nights and entertainment. This open plan kitchen and dining area features upgraded appliance and plenty of storage. The downstairs master bedroom includes an en-suite bathroom, a relaxing whirlpool tub with a very large walk-in closet. Finally, the landscaped yard with a nice half-covered porch enclosed by a privacy fence is perfect for both cookouts and relaxation. So check this out. If this sounds like your dream home, check the description below and get in touch with me. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Tulsa home tours. Now, without further ado, let's get to the tour.